Hey guys, I have another video here. It is going to be showing you how to spec mine Aleo or Aleo, but beforehand I just want to say apologies for maybe the low quality of the most recent video where the mic was potentially having issues, or the wording wasn't as clear, or just wasn't flowing correctly. So hopefully I can get that resolved with the script and have more information about this. But for this one, again, this is totally spec mining this coin to see where this will go. Who knows where this will be or can go. It can go down to zero, or can make quick money because it did just get listed, but that doesn't mean anything with the tokenomics of this coin. But so Aleo is a blockchain layer 1 platform that focuses on privacy and scalability. And what it is, if we go to their tokenomics, it is providing privacy, scalability, smart contracts, development environment, and consensus mechanism. And again, it's best if you do spec mine. You just got to be careful because everything is new to this space, and no one knows if there's any rug pulls or malware. So take with a grain of salt, and always try to do it not on your main PC computer. And what we need to do is create an account in F2 pool, as I did here. And what you need to do is you have to create a account that's will be used for the mining. The login is different. So if you go in account settings here, if you do just start up, you won't have any mining accounts. This will actually be the wallet that will be used to create Aleo. So what you do is you click add, you click a account name, and then the description. So it'll be like test 1, for example. And see, this already exists on somebody else's, so you might have to be more creative. Like so forth. And in here, this would be the wallet that we be set and getting paid out. But then if you want to get paid specifically like cashing out, then as F2 pool says, if you click on the Aleo mainnet, not the testnet or staging, we need an Aleo address. And to get an Aleo wallet, we have the Leo wallet here, where you have to download as a Chrome, Apple, or Android. And it's pretty easy to set up. Once you download it, you would just click create a new wallet, and then it'll have a 24 code passcode to back up or recover if you ever did lose this wallet. And then you would click this receive button here and copy your new wallet address. And then if you go back to F2 pool, you do add Leo address. This is where you would do your address that you just created from the Leo wallet, the receive. And then you can do the source, and you do need two-factor authentication. You can just use the Google one in order to save it. And then you'd also need to confirm with email as well, otherwise you won't get paid within the 24 hours. It'll be paused. So once you do have all that set up, I'm just going to remove this because I already have this one. You will go into HiveOS here, and I'm currently mining. I already had it set up, but if we were to create a new one, you would go to flight sheets, and here you click Aleo and then add wallet. This one is your F2 pool name, so for mine it is this one right here, so I would put that in here as so, and you can just do F2 pool, so that would create it. And then the pool, there's none set up at this moment listed in HiveOS that they know of, so you would have to configure a miner. And then the miner is a new one, custom, so we're gonna have to type in custom here, and we will do setup miner config. If we go into the Discord, we need to grab the URL for the miner, which is the Aleominer, and they have it in their Aleo Foundation Discord channel. So we're gonna copy this. It is from F2 pool, so we would paste this in. It auto populates the miner name. Here you just do your wallet worker name. The pool URL is from F2 pool, so what we need to do is grab the Aleo miner here. So if we go back to home, the only pool they have is this one, the pool URL, so we're going to copy. It copies the stratum and TCP into here, and password is X. And we also need to do an extra parameter for the logs. If I go back to the one that I'm using right now, it is this command that we will be also pasting to see the miner. So again, once you put in the URL to download the miner, it auto populates the miner name. Hash algorithm is Aleo. You put in your worker account and for F2 pool, and then the worker name you would like to be, and you put in the pool URL from F2 pool, and then password is just X, and then we put in this extra parameter so it's able to track the logs of mining, and I'll show you in a bit why. And there isn't any overclocking parameters here, so what we can do is if we go to workers, click on the name, and you see this speedometer gear icon, you would click this and you can click the certain overclocks, and you can use the hashrate.no as a basis, so like the 3060 Ti I have, and then you click on the Aleo coin, and again this is just a baseline, but core offset is 150, core clock is 1500, memory clock is 5000, and then I did get an error for the power limit. It only allowed 180, not 200, so I got that fixed right here. And then if you have different clocks or GPUs, then you just do a space and then you enter a different one if you have multiple different GPUs and so forth for each one of these. And after that is done, you click the rocket to enable the flight sheet for the specific coin you want to mine. In this case it's the Aleo, and then we gotta log into the shell here. So what you do is click the remote access web shell, and you will need to log in. It's again user as the name, password is 1. This logs into the kernel of Linux of HiveOS, and if you just click miner as you normally do, it just brings you to the kind of like it just shows the downloading, but there isn't any step for showing like it's mining. So that's where this extra config that we entered in comes in, where if we go back to the main screen, which is exit control AD, we're going to paste in that command. If we click enter, now it shows that it's, you know, hashing and mining away here. And once you do, you just want to make sure, if you click workers, it does take some time to populate, but it did show up for me after like 5 minutes or so, and it's starting to mine. So let me know if you guys have any questions about this. I'll provide, you know, all the download links and special parameters needed. But again, this is a spec mining coin, so we'll see where this goes. It just shows as at the moment, you know, most profitable. So we'll see what happens from here, and then if not, we, you know, switch to another profitable coin. That's just the name of the game. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. See ya.